Guys, today's video is all about one platform, one app like that promise people about read and earn. And you can also share your story there, post your story there on the app and still earn small money. So I just come here to reveal the platform, and this is just for educational purpose. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just come here and share some app or platform that promise one or two way to earn on the app or the platform, just to share with you guys. And please, before you go into any platform or any app, please do your own research. So that's it. So the name of the platform, the name of the app is, they call it StoryMinta. So let's go into the app. So uh actually I've registered on the app, and I think 2 days ago, so I won't be able to show you how to register, but it's very simple, trust me. Just click on the link I will drop on my comment section, or the link I will drop on this video description. Just click on it. It will direct you to the registration place. So after that, you will just come to the app. This is the interface of the app. Yes, you are going to download it also. It will direct you, sha. It's very simple. I think the network. Um, so boom, there is the app StoryMinta, and as you can see, the interface. There is the interface of the app. Okay, so the promise that you can read and earn, and you can post your story. As you can see here, you can post your story, and still earn on it. So this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the app. Oh, good. I told you guys that I'm started 2 days ago. So this is my end so far. Yes, this is my end so far on the platform. So that's it. This is the interface of the app. Yes, you can follow them. So this is how to perform your tasks and earn on the platform. Actually, I've made some cool cash from the platform today, but let me come here. Let me come here. So guys, you come to this place, read. So you come to this place, then you see some available book to read and earn. Okay, so I think I've read this one. So let me click on this one and say, so this is how you're going to perform your tasks on the app and hand. So you click on this read more. Okay, the network. So you click on it like this. Okay, good. So there is it. You see, uh, you see, N is 0.010 for read this book only. Okay, and there is some book that you will read and they'll pay you 0.050 cents. So it depends on the book. So that's it. So this is how you see this place that is counting. Yes, so it will count to a zero. So then they will add the 10 cents into your account. So that's it. Nothing much, nothing hard about this app. And the thing I love about this app is that they are not going to collect any money from you. Okay. And I believe that there is no harm in trying. Okay. So guys, after I reach the after reach after reach the minimal withdrawal, so after which the after reach the minimal withdrawal, I'm going to share you maybe this platform is pay or not. So just stay tuned, and you too, if you don't mind, you can start now. So that's because some people say it's pay, it pays it. Even there is one group like that, they used to share the payment proof there. So but me, I'm just started, and if I get paid, I'm I'm still coming back here to share the payment proof with you guys, as you all know. So there is it, you see, boom, they are going to add it, you see, there is it. So that's all for the platform, I mean for the story meter for now, guys. Stay blessed, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that YouTube can share my video to people that need something like this. And please like, and if you have any question, you can drop it on my comment section. So stay blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Thank you.